Revolvers have not changed since the 1830s. Same cylinder, same barrel on top, same muzzle flip, nearly 200 years, and nobody questioned it until number 1 on this list. We are not telling you what it does yet, but you will not want to miss this one. This is BornSharp. Earn it. 10 CO2 revolvers. All legal, all on Amazon. No license, no background check, no waiting period. Links in the description. Let us count them down. Number 10, Barra Schofield No. 3, 7-inch. We are opening the list with a piece of history. The Barra Schofield No. 3 is a full metal replica of an 1875 top-break revolver designed by Major George W. Schofield of the U.S. Army's 10th Cavalry. The U.S. Army ordered thousands of them. They were carried in the Geronimo campaign by the 4th Cavalry and by the Buffalo Soldiers of the 9th and 10th Cavalry. Later, the design became popular with the James Younger Gang, which is either a warning or an endorsement depending on your perspective. The top break action is what makes this gun genuinely special beyond the history. Crack the frame open at the hinge, the cylinder tilts forward, and all 6 spent shells eject simultaneously. It is one of the fastest reload mechanisms ever designed for a revolver, and it was engineered in 1875. The 7-inch barrel version reaches up to 445 feet per second, confirmed by independent reviews at Airgun Depot. Single action only, meaning you cock the hammer before each shot, 6-round cylinder loaded with individual metal BB cartridges, 12 gram CO2 in the grip. Full metal frame at 2 pounds of solid, historically accurate heft. The honest caveat, the Schofield is single action only. You are cocking the hammer for every shot. That is authentic to the original design, and it is exactly what this gun is supposed to feel like. For backyard plinking, target practice, or putting something genuinely beautiful on a shelf, nothing at this price point on this list matches the Schofield's presence. Number 9, Crosman SR357 6-inch. Crosman has been making American airguns since 1923, and the SR357 is their full-size duty revolver done right. 6-inch metal barrel, full metal body, swing-out cylinder, individual shell loading just like live ammunition, double-action, single-action trigger, and 450 feet per second from a 12-gram CO2 cartridge in the grip, which puts it near the top of the CO2 revolver category for raw velocity. Weight is 2 pounds at 11.5 inches overall. The swing-out cylinder releases cleanly, the individual BB cartridges load and drop free exactly as they should, and the DA/SA trigger gives you the option of long double-action pulls for deliberate shooting, or a lighter-cocked single-action pull for precision work. Independent reviews confirm the SR357 shares significant internal DNA with the ASG Dan Wesson platform and the Win Gun manufacturing family, which in practical terms means the cartridges, speed loaders, and accessories are widely cross-compatible across several platforms. This is the blue-collar workhorse of this list. No frills, no gimmicks, genuinely reliable, and backed by Crosman's 12-month warranty, which is one of the better warranty terms in the CO2 revolver category. If you want a serious shell-loading CO2 revolver that works every time without spending premium money, the SR357 is the answer. Number 8, Crosman SNR357 Snub Nose. Same Crosman platform, different mission entirely. The SNR357 is the snub nose configuration, and it brings something no other revolver on this list offers: genuine dual ammo capability. This gun fires both .177 caliber steel BBs and .177 caliber lead pellets from the same frame. It ships with 6 BB cartridges and 6 pellet cartridges in the box. Swap the shells, swap the ammo type. The difference matters. BBs top out at 400 feet per second from the SNR357. Switch to pellets and the same gun hits up to 500 feet per second, confirmed from the Amazon listing, because the smaller cross-section of a pellet gives the CO2 more to push against. Beyond velocity, pellets are substantially more accurate at distance than steel BBs. The heavier lead projectile holds its trajectory better, and the rifled contact with the barrel adds spin stabilization that a smooth round steel ball does not get. Full metal body, swing-out cylinder, adjustable sights, compact frame. If you are using this for precision target practice rather than volume plinking, load the pellet shells. Number 7, Black Ops Exterminator 2.5-inch Chrome Snub. The Black Ops Exterminator in the 2.5-inch chrome configuration is the one that stops the scroll. Chrome finish over a full metal frame, compact barrel, Picatinny rail under the barrel for lights and lasers, and a profile that looks like it was styled by someone who takes their revolvers seriously. It does not look like an airgun. It looks like a prop from a film noir, and that is entirely intentional. Black Ops does not have the brand recognition of Umarex or ASG, but the Exterminator platform is their flagship, and the build quality reflects that investment. Full metal construction, .177 caliber BBS and pellets, 12 gram CO2, velocity around 350 feet per second. The 2.5-inch barrel keeps the profile compact, and the chrome finish makes it the most visually distinct revolver on the list at any price point. Where it earns its ranking is the combination of aesthetics and the Picatinny rail at this price point. Most compact revolvers in this range do not offer an accessory rail. The Exterminator does. If you want to run a laser for dry fire training on a compact revolver platform, this is the only option on this list that gives you that without spending significantly more. Number 6. Black Ops Exterminator Full Size. Around. Everything from number 7 scaled up to a full-size platform. The full-size Exterminator runs a 6-inch barrel, full metal construction, Picatinny rail, dual ammo capability for both BBs and pellets, and carries a 4.4-star rating from over 350 verified Amazon buyers, one of the strongest review scores on this entire list. Black Ops markets the full-size Exterminator as a hunting air pistol, which signals something important about the power and accuracy level this platform is built for. The longer barrel means more consistent velocity shot to shot, as the CO2 has more time to accelerate the projectile before it exits. The heavier full-size frame means less movement on the trigger pull. The longer sight radius makes precision aiming at distance meaningfully easier than a snub nose configuration. If your use case is serious target practice or pest control, rather than collection or carry training, the full-size is the platform that earns those results. The Picatinny rail is identical to the snubnose version, which means any laser or light you mount on the compact will transfer directly to the full size without a new mounting system. If you like subscribing to channels that find this stuff for you, hit like and subscribe. It costs nothing and it keeps the content coming. Number 5. ASG Dan Wesson 2.5-inch. Number 5 is where the list crosses into premium territory. ASG holds the Dan Wesson license and has built one of the most respected shell-loading revolver platforms in the CO2 market over 2 decades of production. The 2.5-inch configuration is the compact entry point into that platform. Shell loading cylinder, full metal frame with grip integrated CO2 loading tool so you never lose the hex key, double action, single action trigger, adjustable rear sight. The Dan Wesson name in CO2 revolvers carries specific weight. Independent reviews consistently place this platform above competitors at equivalent and higher price points for build quality, trigger feel, and shot-to-shot consistency. The compact 2.5-inch version is 8.3 inches overall at 2.2 pounds, compact enough to train with as a defensive platform, while still delivering the fit and finish the Dan Wesson name is associated with. The honest note, the Dan Wesson 2.5-inch comes with ABS plastic grip panels rather than the rubber Hogue-style grip of the larger versions. At this size, the plastic grip is not a significant ergonomic limitation, but it is worth knowing before you buy. The 2.5-inch snub is the entry point into the Dan Wesson CO2 world. If you shoot it and decide you want more, everything you learn about the manual of arms, the shell loading, the trigger, and the cartridge system transfers directly to the 4-inch and 6-inch versions above it. The platform otherwise delivers exactly what the Dan Wesson reputation promises, and that reputation is not accidental. Number 4. ASG Dan Wesson 715 6-inch. If you asked a room full of serious CO2 revolver enthusiasts to name the single best shell-loading revolver on the market, the Dan Wesson 715 6-inch would be the most common answer, and it would not be close. Hard Air magazine tested and reviewed this platform extensively, and their conclusion was straightforward. Excellent value at the price, consistently outperforming guns that cost more. The shell loading system uses individual metal cartridges that replicate the weight and feel of live ammunition. Full metal construction with a one-piece heavy barrel. Hogue-style rubber grip with the built-in CO2 loading tool. Adjustable rear sight. The trigger, tested by Hard Air magazine, came in at very crisp in operation, with excellent feel in both double and single action, which is a specific and earned description rather than marketing copy. Shot-to-shot velocity consistency was strong across the test string. Accuracy with ASG Blaster BBS produced the tightest groups in their testing. The 6-inch barrel and the full-size frame make this the precision platform of the group. The sight radius at 6 inches gives you a genuine aiming advantage at distance that snub-nose configuration simply cannot match. This is the one serious collectors buy first and do not sell. ASG provides a 90-day limited warranty on the 715, which is shorter than Crosman's 12-month term. Know that going in. The rifle performs consistently enough that most owners never need to call warranty support, but it is worth knowing the terms before you spend at this price point. Number 3. Umarex Colt Python 6-inch. At number 3, we bring in Umarex, and the gun they chose to represent in the revolver category is the Colt Python. This is not a coincidence. The Colt Python is one of the most famous revolvers ever made. The original 6-inch blued Python is a collector's firearm that trades for thousands of dollars at auction. The Umarex CO2 version trades on Amazon for a fraction of that, and Umarex built it to the standard the Python name demands. Officially licensed by Colt, Python markings are real. The blued finish replicates the original production finish accurately. The 6-inch barrel and the ventilated rib on top are faithful to the firearm. Shell-loading 6-round cylinder, double-action, single-action trigger, and the unmistakable Python silhouette. Full metal construction, up to 400 feet per second confirmed from the Umarex product listing. The Colt Python has appeared in more films, more television shows, and more magazine covers than any other revolver in American history. The most famous recent appearance is The Walking Dead, which introduced an entirely new generation to what the Python looks like and what it represents. Before that, it was Miami Vice. Before that, it was every police procedural from the 1970s and 1980s where the detective needed a revolver that communicated serious intent. Umarex understood exactly what they were licensing. The blued finish, the ventilated rib, the Python roll mark on the barrel, all of it is present and correct on the CO2 version. No background check, no license. On Amazon. Find it linked below alongside the rest. Number 2. Umarex Smith & Wesson 629 Classic. The Smith & Wesson Model 629 is the stainless steel version of the legendary Model 29, the .44 Magnum revolver that Dirty Harry made famous. The 629 Classic configuration adds the underlug barrel weight and the target hammer that competition and hunting shooters have run for decades. Umarex built the CO2 replica to the same officially licensed standard they bring to every platform in their lineup. Full metal frame, shell-loading 6-round cylinder, double-action, single-action trigger. The 629 Classic aesthetics with the underlug barrel and the target hammer. Weight and balance that independent reviewers consistently describe as authentic and satisfying. The S&W 629 name carries the same weight in the revolver world that the Python does, just in a different direction. The Python is the collector's gun. The 629 is the shooter's gun. Competition shooters know it, hunting shooters know it, and Umarex delivered a replica that honors both those reputations. Number 1. Chiappa Rhino 50DS. Here we are, the design assumption that held for nearly 200 years, and the Italian engineers who decided it was wrong. Every revolver on this list, from number 10 through number 2, fires from the top chamber of the cylinder. Every revolver you have ever seen fires from the top chamber. That is how revolvers have worked since Samuel Colt standardized the platform in the 1830s. The bullet sits at the top, the barrel extends forward from the top, and when the gun fires, the recoil drives straight back and upward into your hand and wrist. That upward force is called muzzle flip. For nearly 2 centuries, every shooter in the world accepted it as an unavoidable physical law. Nobody seriously challenged it. Nobody redesigned around it. It was simply the way revolvers worked. In 2008, Italian designers Emilio Gassoni and Antonio Codazzo decided that was not acceptable. They designed the Chiappa Rhino to fire from the lowest chamber of the cylinder. The barrel sits on the lowest bore axis of any production revolver ever manufactured. Because the recoil now drives directly back into the shooter's wrist in a straight line rather than up and over it, muzzle flip is dramatically reduced. Follow-up shots are faster. Accuracy under rapid fire is measurably improved. The geometry of revolver shooting changes. The Rhino went into production in 2010, and it has been turning heads ever since. The CO2 version is the Rhino 50DS, aluminum alloy body, CNC machined from solid block aluminum to the same specification as the firearm version. 5-inch barrel, 6-round cylinder with individual shell loading, fixed fiber optic front sight, adjustable rear sight for windage and elevation, Picatinny rail under the barrel for lights and lasers, double action, single action trigger. The grip opens to load the 12-gram CO2 cartridge, and the hex key tool is built into the inside of the grip panel, so it is always exactly where you need need it. Velocity is 328 feet per second, confirmed by Airgun Megastore and Airgun Depot independently. Overall length is 9.5 inches at 2.5 pounds. The 328 feet per second is the lowest velocity on this list. That is the direct result of the unusual firing geometry and the aluminum alloy construction managing energy differently than a conventional steel-framed platform. You are not buying this for maximum velocity. You are buying this because it fires from the bottom of the cylinder, because it carries the full backing of Chiappa Firearms as an officially licensed replica of the .357 Magnum firearm, because it looks like nothing else on Amazon, and because it does something that took firearms engineers until 2008 to finally work out. The firearm version in .357 Magnum requires an FFL transfer, a background check, and in most states a waiting period. The CO2 version requires an Amazon account and absolutely nothing else. No background check, no license, ships right to your door. That is number one. That is the 200-year-old design assumption broken. And it fires from the bottom. All 10 revolvers are linked in the description below. Check your local laws before ordering. Some municipalities restrict realistic-looking air guns in public spaces even without a federal license requirement. Handle every one of these as you would a real firearm. They look exactly like one. Stay sharp and, as always, stay safe.